We are going to see the exercise number 1.3. Okay, verify the closure property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. Okay, so first of all we are going to see what is this closure property and how to verify the addition and multiplication. So first of all, solution. In the solution, you just write what is the given numbers. The given numbers you just write as A equal to minus 5 by 7, then B is equal to 8 by 9. Next I am going to find out as A plus B equal to minus 5 by 7 plus 8 by 9. Okay, so the closure property is we are going to find out the A plus B in the addition, whether we are getting the rational number. So rational number means what? The rational number means it is of the form P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Okay, now I am just doing the addition. In this addition, we are going to see the LCM. So what is the LCM? The 7 and 9, the common multiples are there or not there. So you just write 63. Next, minus 5 by 7 into 9 plus 8 by 9 into 7 by 7. So you are just cross multiplying the terms. Next what you will be having here, minus 45 by 63 plus 56 by 63. So that implies minus 45 plus 56 by 63. So what is the answer we will be getting? We will be getting 11 by 63. So is in Q. Okay, so it is for the fractional form. Okay, so and also Q, this is P and this is Q. So in the fractional form, in the denominator it is not equal to 0. Okay, so it is a Q means what? It is a rational number. So the addition is what? A rational number. Next we are going to see the multiplication. So this is addition. Next we are going to see the multiplication. So multiplication, the same wise you write A equal to minus 5 by 7, then B is equal to 8 by 9. Then as usual A into B is equal to minus 5 by 7 into 8 by 9. So what is the answer you will be getting? Minus 40 by 63. So is in Q. That means what? It is a rational number. So therefore the closure property is true for multiplication of rational numbers. Also, closure property is true for addition of rational numbers. Okay, so this is how you have to do for the closure property. So next sum is we are going to do is verify the commutative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. Okay, so for this sum I am just going to do the commutative property. So what is meant by the commutative property? Commutative property, first is addition, we are going to do it. So addition, so in the addition the commutative property is A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this is the formula. What is the A value? Minus 10 by 11. What is the B value? Minus 8 by 33. So first of all I am going to take A plus B. Okay, so A plus B is equal to minus 10 by 11. Then my plus minus 8 by 33. So what is the answer will be getting? Minus 10 by 11, then minus 8 by 33. So what is the LCM you will be getting? The LCM is equal to 33. That implies minus 10 by 11 into 3 by 3, then minus 8 by 33. So that implies minus 30 by 33 and minus 8 by 33. So minus 30, then minus 8 by 33. So minus 38 by 33. Okay, so let this be equation 1. The same answer we will see whether we are getting for the B plus A. So B plus A is equal to minus 8 by 33 plus minus 10 by 11. So minus 8 by 33, then plus into minus is minus 10 by 11. Then LCM is what is answer? 33. Okay, next is minus 8 by 33, then minus 10 by 11 into 3 by 3. So what is the answer will be getting? Minus 8 by 33, then minus 30 by 33. So the denominators are common, means you can add or subtract the powers. So that implies minus 38 by 33. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2 what we conclude? The commutative property is true for addition. So from 1 and 2, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Therefore, commutative property is true for addition. Okay, so next we are going to see the multiplication. So next is multiplication. So the multiplication is same number only we are going to use. So what is the formula? A into B is equal to B into A. So first step is A into B. So A into B, what is the answer? Minus 10 by 11 into minus 8 by 33. So in the multiplication we no need the LCM. So straight away we can just multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So minus into minus is what is the answer? Plus. 10 into 8 is what is the answer? 80 by, here 11 into 33 what is the answer? So here 33 into 11. 3, 3, 3, 3. So 363. So 363. Then minus into minus is plus. Next B into A. So B into A same ways what will come? Minus 8 by 33 into minus 10 by 11. So that implies what is the answer? You'll get minus into minus is plus. So 8 into 10 by 33 into 11. Then what is the answer? 80 by 363. So let this be 1 and let this be 2. So from 1 and 2 what we conclude? From 1 and 2, A into B is equal to B into A. So therefore commutative property is true for multiplication. Okay, so likewise you have to prove the sum. Okay, so the commutative property for multiplication is what is that one? A into B equal to B into A. Addition means A plus B is equal to B plus A. So you just what you have to do, you just multiply it and you have to prove the answer like this.